The Ferrari Mondial T Cabriolet represents the final and most technically advanced evolution of Ferrari's Mondial line. Introduced in 1989. Designed by Pininfarina, the model combined practicality with performance, offering a rare mid-engine 2+2 layout in an open-top configuration. Its name, T, refers to the transverse gearbox paired with a longitudinally mounted engine, an innovation that improved weight distribution and handling balance. At its core lies a 3.4-liter F119 V8 engine producing approximately 300 horsepower and 238 pound-feet of torque. Equipped with Bosch Motronic engine management, the car delivers power to the rear wheels through a 5-speed manual transaxle and limited slip differential. This configuration allowed the Mondial T to reach strong performance figures for its class while maintaining drivability suitable for long-distance touring. The exterior featured subtle but meaningful updates over earlier Mondials: revised side intakes, smoother bumper integration, and modernized wheel arches. Pop-up headlights, quad exhaust outlets, and 16-inch 5-spoke wheels defined its visual identity. Inside, the cabin offered Connelly leather upholstery, a gated manual shifter, air conditioning, and a driver-focused instrument cluster with a 7,500 revolutions per minute redline tachometer. Production examples varied widely in specification. Some cars were delivered in classic Rosso Corsa, while rarer configurations, such as Verde Scuro over beige leather, highlighted Ferrari's bespoke approach. Many vehicles, like early European deliveries, remained with single owners for decades, often accompanied by detailed service histories documenting maintenance from official Ferrari dealers. By the mid-2000s, numerous Mondial T Cabriolets had accumulated moderate mileage through grand touring use, followed by reduced annual driving. Maintenance milestones, particularly timing belt replacements requiring engine removal, became critical for preservation. Well-kept examples today often retain original paint, interior materials, and documentation. In the modern collector market, the 1990 Mondial T Cabriolet has gained recognition for its usability, mechanical refinement, and relative rarity among Ferrari convertibles. It stands as a bridge between analog driving experiences and more modern engineering, offering enthusiasts a balanced combination of performance, practicality, and classic Ferrari character.